To create an Apple Pay test account, start by going to the Apple developer website and signing in with your Apple ID. If you do not have an Apple ID, create one and then sign in. Next, navigate to the Certificates, IDs, and Profiles section, where you will find the Identifiers option. Click on Identifiers and then click on the plus sign to create a new identifier. Select Merchant ID and enter a description and a merchant ID. This will be used to identify your test account. After creating the merchant ID, navigate to the Certificates section and click on the plus sign to create a new certificate. Select Apple Pay certificate and follow the prompts to create a new certificate. Once the certificate is created, navigate to the Keys section and click on the plus sign to create a new key. Select Apple Pay key and follow the prompts to create a new key. To set up the test account, download the Apple Pay Test Merchant app from the Apple developer website. This app will allow you to simulate transactions and test your Apple Pay integration. Open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. Then, navigate to the Settings section and select the merchant ID you created earlier. You will also need to set up a test card in the app. This can be done by navigating to the Cards section and clicking on the plus sign to add a new card. Enter the test card information, which can be found on the Apple developer website. This information includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. After setting up the test account and test card, you can start testing your Apple Pay integration. This can be done by navigating to the Transactions section and clicking on the plus sign to initiate a new transaction. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction, and then verify that the transaction was successful. It is also important to note that the test account and test card can only be used for testing purposes and cannot be used to process real transactions. By following these steps, you can create an Apple Pay test account and start testing your Apple Pay integration. This will allow you to ensure that your Apple Pay integration is working correctly and that you are able to successfully process transactions.